Hello friends, this is Arnesvi. Today I will show you how to make a master movie title. This is a Tamil movie, upcoming Vijay's movie. Master movie title in Adobe After Effects using a Video Copilot plugin called Element 3D. Let's see. This is the After Effects 2015 version. After opening the After Effects window, then simply create a new comp. This is the comp settings. I create a comp with 720p with nearly 30 frames, that is 29.97, or select 30 frames, then click OK. Now create a text. Create a text for title animation. Double click it and type master, MASTER, master. I already created the text manually and save it as master text by Arun SV. You can download the font from the description link. Kindly check it. After installing the text successfully, we can see in the text panel like master text by Arun SV. Okay. Then I maximize the text a little bit. Then I create a new solid layer to apply Element 3D plugin. So I name it as E3D, simply called as Element 3D. So click OK. Then go to effects and go to Video Copilot and select element. We apply the element plugin and go to custom layers below the world transform. Then click the text and then create the first path to the text layer. Okay. Now select the scene setup and click extrude to extrude the layer, custom layer 1. I already recorded the video in Tamil, so a little bit time lag between the English commentary and the video. Sorry for the trouble. If you have a Pro Shaders installed, we can simply select the gold texture for the master text, or otherwise there is another option is there. We can simply select the texture for the master layer by clicking Ctrl Z for undoing. Then select the layer and go to diffuse channel. Select the diffuse and we can apply the image texture. Double click it, then choose the image texture. I already saved in my hard drive. You can download it in the description link. Check it. Okay. Now the texture is applied. It is also same as the master texture, but there is no shining and there is no reflectivity. It's okay. Now click OK. Then simply hide the text layer Now click the E3D layer and go to scene setup. Then duplicate the group for the animation. So press Ctrl D to duplicate another group and change the group to 2. We have two groups, 1 and 2, but have the same content. It is for animation engine, because animation engine works based on the principle that one is transforming into another. Start group is group 1 and finish group is group 2. This is when we enable the animation engine, we can transform the start group to the end group. So we are going to position the start group outside of the camera and the finish group inside the camera. So in the group 1, we go to position and adjust the Z position to outside of the camera. We can see it in the top view by first we add camera, 3D camera, so that we can see the top view perfectly, like this. First position the group 1 outside the camera, like this. We can easily see it in the top view. Okay, we position the first group behind the camera. Then the final result will be the group 2. That is this. Then go to animation engine. And enable the animation engine so that it appears only group 1, because when we animate the animation with the keyframes, we can get the transformation from group 1 to group 2. So click the stopwatch in the animation, then after 5 seconds animate it to 100%. After 100% we can get the final group 2 result, like this. It transforms from group 1 to group 2 in left to right. Because the animation type we selected is directional, so that it animates left to right. If it is uniform, it looks like a whole mesh. So we can select different animation types. We can test it, but I choose the random animation style. It will give you good results, so I choose it. Okay. Next we add some random rotation movements to the text. So go to rotation. Now we can animate with multi-object rotations, so that it will rotate the individual text separately. So go to multi-object rotation and rotate it a little bit like this. Then we can get this type of animation. Then add some random rotation also. Displace, adjust the displace to get closer a little bit so that it fills the screen at the starting point. Okay, if you have a golden texture, the reflection will be nice, so I will add a gold texture. Okay, now it will give you a nice look like this. Add some a little bit random rotation in the multi-object rotation random tab. Okay, that's it. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. If you have any doubt in this tutorial, simply comment below. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am Arun SV. We will meet you in another tutorial. Bye.